Hello, in front of me I have INFINIX Note 60 Pro, and in this video I'm going to show you how to perform the factory reset. Okay, to reset our device, we gotta open the settings. Now, scroll down all the way until you find the system, and in here we have reset phone option. Before the reset, I highly recommend to create a backup of your data, so thanks to that you'll be able to restore the data later on any device. To create a backup, all you gotta do is to click on Backup to Google Drive. You also need to be signed into your Google account. You can check it if you click on Other Device Data. In here we have the Google account that we are currently signed into, and it's important that we cannot forget this Google account. I mean, we cannot forget on which Google account we are creating our backup, because if you want to restore the data later, you'll have to be signed into the exact same Google account. Also on our channel you can find a lot of videos how to create such a backup using this method, the Google backup. Now, click on Reset Phone. And in here, besides erasing all data, we can also reset Wi-Fi settings, but that's not the thing that we're interested in. Now we gotta click on Erase All Data. Remember that everything will be permanently erased, have that in mind. And now, to perform the factory reset, we gotta click on Erase All Data. If you have your screen lock set, you also have to type it or draw it. In my case, I have the pattern, so I need to draw. And now click on Erase All Data. Okay, now our device has been turned off, and after a few seconds it will be automatically turned on again, and we will see a setup process. I'll show that, so now we gotta simply keep waiting. Okay, the reset was successful. Now, as you can see, we have the setup process, and if you want to use your device again, you'll have to go through it. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.